What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Busy here and I'm with my friend Tay, and today we are going to get and do a, what's it called? A mukbang, we don't know what it's called, but anyways, we have a bunch of snacks.
Screw the game, we're talking about food.
And we're so what? But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, and we will be right back. We're back. So we're actually gonna do the Sprite challenge. Ready for this?
No.
Oh, you're not?
No.
Okay, are you ready?
I just said no.
So the Sprite challenge is where you try not to burp. Tay Tay!
I got it. Ow.
Round one, fight!
Okay, you ready for the Sprite challenge? We gotta cheers it though.
Bruh.
She didn't cheers me. Ready? Go. No burping. I already have to.
might slip out on accident.
Oh no.
It's coming.
Dude. I couldn't stop it. You gotta go fast. No, Tay Tay. You gotta go fast. Hey, you really did that?
I cannot.
This girl's a baby.
Dude, that thing came out of me like it like
It took over your book. Oh my gosh, I can't. I'm gonna get you.
Did she just
I feel like we should talk about something.
What? We can blur it out. Let's do it.
Wow. That Sprite?
Did you just like wow your R's?
Wow.
You're hearing things, my dude.
I literally have proof right here.
Wow.
Go suck a dick, suck a dick, suck a motherfucking dick.
You throw up, I swear. Why are you like this, bro?
Bro, it literally crawled out of me. Why are you saying why am I like this? It wasn't me.
2, 1, drop it!
You know what to do.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Scare the shit out of me.
Let's talk about some tea.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
What was your favorite childhood memory growing up?
Not having to worry to pay bills.
That's your favorite childhood memory?
No, tell me yours.
Well, one of the only memories I really have when I was a child is when I was riding a scooter and I went over a pedal and I fell. And I really hurt myself. I remember going to the doctor because I fell and I skinned my knees.
That's like your favorite?
I thought it was just a childhood memory.
We need an intermission.
Intermission? Cut. You really might be like that off camera, bro?
So sassy.
Right now, Tay is not good. Not.
I almost just puked.
That's nasty.
We should play a game.
Like what?
Never have I ever.
Okay. You first.
Never have I ever had sex in a bathroom stall.
Nope. A bathroom, not a bathroom stall. Never have I ever had sex anywhere in public.
Nope.
No?
Mm-mm.
Never have I ever received flowers from a guy. If you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
The sky is really pretty. It's really nice out there.
Yeah, it's black. Sour Skittles.
To a better state.
You're really boring.
Emotional damage.
Man, these chicken nuggies are so good. Why are you being so weird?
I almost just choked, guys. Oh my gosh. I almost needed CPR.
Are you choking? Are you choking? You're a fucking idiot.
Are you gonna throw up?
I don't know.
Bro. Right to the camera.
Can you open this?
Open the damn bag. Yeah.
Let's play bingo. I got the balls in here. Oh, going out. Alright, going out. And the letter is M. If you have an M, please put a sticker on M. We are playing bingo.
Bingo!
Alright.
Shake.
M. If you have an M, please place a sticker on the M.
Bruh.
Skittles and chips and M&Ms.
What are you talking about?
Fuck your life! Bing bong!
Is it
I could never drive in this.
Maybe you should go up to it and make sure it's